Hello friends, hi no hi lam soko norok no ani YouTube channel lo tinin topic ka wild. Abun meaning ka khai tu fight tu hai ka ba thang tu ka fighti tinin pula topic ta mona ne nu. Tinin pula topic ka bo phone by cox hatu gari chalogo. Abun English meaning ka he is driving car while talking on phone. He is driving car while talking on phone. Next ka bo tibi nai tu mai chawi tongo. Upon English meaning ka he is eating the food while watching TV. He is eating the food while watching TV. Next ka ang lamay him tutoy nung by cox hawi tung. Upon English meaning ka I am talking with you while walking the road. I am talking with you while walking the road. Kabun for the next ka Ram pore tutoy mobile game tungo. Upon English meaning ka Ram is playing mobile game while studying. Ram is playing mobile game while studying. Next ka Ram pore tutoy no thuwi tongka. Upon English meaning nai Ram was sleeping while studying. Ram was sleeping while studying. Next ka bo ang by cox hatutui no nasugui tongka. Upon English meaning nai he was watching you while talking to me. He was watching you while talking to me. Hingke tin jote asuk no nonok judi video hamjakhan ka ba like khadi share khadi tai sini kok bro kok no awai khana bagi o channel no subscribe khan ta bukdi belai belai ka hambai khulumka.